Yeah, it just picks up the vibes. Okay, cool. I'll turn the guitar around if I can. Or I might even move the inset. Let me move the inset. Might be easier, my friend. Let's go back to here and let's see if we can actually move that inset. Put my fat head over there. How's that? That looks a lot better now. Okay. So, E, A. These are still stretching these strings, so it's going to flatten out pretty quick. D is there. G is there. B is there. E is there. Okay, let's get these heights done. So, the first things first, I'm going to start grabbing my 20 thou, wherever that guy is. This guy here. Pop that guy under here. So that's well below, that's well high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press down right across on the last fret. Check that clearance. Those that got to come up to the pickups have to come up a little bit. Lower that guy down. It's too big. Dana with a gifted sub. Thank you very much, Dana. Appreciate that. Grab a smaller key. And let's lower that guy just ever so slightly and then retune. Way, way, way too high still. I'm going to lower that a little bit down. A little bit further down. Okay. Alright, not too bad. Okay, that's rock bottom there. We'll get that 20 thou. Clears it by a long way. I might need to shim this neck. I don't know why that's doing that. It might not be sitting right. It's very interesting. Okay, okay. We might need to shim that neck. Let's just adjust the other strings and see how far out we are. Okay, it's about right. That's a lot better. I will shim this neck, just give it a little bit of a raise. It's probably sitting a little bit too low in that pocket. It's going to drop these guys. Yeah, those strings are really good. Just the top bass string is a little bit on the high side. I might have to look into that and just check how much lower I need to go. Okay, that's good. That's pretty low on the treble side. It's not quite right on the bass side. I'm actually going to drop the bass side by cutting the nut. So I can actually cut that nut a little bit deeper, and that'll fix everything. So we're going to be good there. Let's plug that in and test it out. I will intonate it now. I'll grab a screwdriver and get this intonation right. Where's a little flat blade? Yeah, we'll use this guy. Not a flat blade, a Phillips head. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at this end. This should be sharp. So there's our, let's get that to E. There's our E right there. And if I touch the 12th fret, it's just a little bit on the sharp side. So we're going to actually lengthen that string by pulling back, screwing back that bridge saddle, bring it back about a 1/4 inch by screwing this guy in. That'll lengthen the string to that 25.5 inch scale, and it should bring that sharp 12th fret octave into play. So I've dropped that back down a little bit. You can see the difference there. This has gone sharper. Drop that to E. It was only sharper because we tightened that string. And now we check that again. Still a little bit on the sharp side. Let's lengthen that a little bit more. Okay. Tune that back to E. Perfect. That's in tune now. That is intonated. So E here on the 12th is the same as open E. That's as close as we can get it. Let's do the same with the A. Get that to A. Check the A on the 12th. Ooh, it's pretty close. Does need to drop down a little bit though. It's a little bit on the sharp side. We'll bring that down about halfway where the other one was. Let's tune that back into A. And check the 12th. Ooh, pretty close, just a little bit more. Back to A. Spot on. Perfect. They're exactly the same. Okay, so that's intonated. Bits leader. Karen, how have you been? We've missed you. Where is Karen? Karen's here. How you doing, Karen? I didn't see you pop in. Kazamataz, give her a big shout out, please, Terry and Orby and Hank. Everyone. Huh. Welcome on in, guys. Hey, how you doing, big Kazamataz? Good to see you. We're just intonating this guy, getting ready to play it. We just put a new nut in this guy, a new nut, and we're going to play this guy in a minute. Just test it. Let's get to, so that's A done. Let's go to D. We're just intonating now and getting that tuning right. Check the 12th. Bit sharp. Bring that right back. I need another screwdriver, guys. Let me grab something with a longer handle. Back in a sec. Okay. Let's wind that guy in. Should go all the way back to nearly where A is, I'd say. About there. Let's try that. Tune that back down to D. Check 12. Perfect. Exactly where we want it to be. You might be able to hear that. 1 octave different. Drawing ideas. Oh, you're becoming mischievous now. Let's go to G. There's G. Check the 12th. Close, but just a little on the sharp side. We'll drop that guy down a little bit. Try that again. Get that to G. There's G. Nearly, just a touch more. And that's exactly the same. Great, we've got that intonated. Let's go to B. Close, just a little bit sharp. Let's wind that back a tad. About there. Tune that back down to B. Check the 12th. That's exact. Okay, we've got 12, and then finally E. Just a little sharp. Just drop that a tad. Spot on. We're there. Check the tuning. Okay, we're good. Let's test it out. Guys and girls, are we going to test it out? We've changed the action. We've put the nut in. It's glued in. There she is. Okay, new nut today. Just about to finish off. We've got to trim those sides there. That's fine. I can do that off stream. That's ready to have a sound check. Action's a little bit on the high side. I'm going to shim that neck. But the treble side's really, really low, really good. But the bass side's a little bit on the high side. I'm going to see how that's sitting in that pocket before I shim it, but I think I can improve that a little bit. So we're good to go. Let's plug that in and see how we go. Leopard guitar. No Leopard guitars. Unless you play Def Leppard on a Leopard guitar, there is no Leopard guitar. Ha! Refresh your brain. Okay, let's plug her in. Noisy. It's my old practice amp. There's a lot of 60 hertz stuff going on here. There we go. Once it's plugged in and grounded, we're good. Play clean. Let's get some cleans. Got to trim those wires too before I poke my eyes out. Nice sustain. That's the two-y there, the first one. If we mix the two, first and second, we'll mix the first and second by going to the second position on the 5-way switch. A bit chimier. Middle pickup on its own. A little bit telly, a little bit strutty. Bridge, a little bit hotter with the middle. And the brightness there of the bridge on its own. Very clean. Dirt. We need dirt. I nearly tripped then. Okay. That's the neck pickup. Middle pickup. Bridge pickup. There you go. It works. All right. So we're good with that. We're almost there. All I need to do now is trim this guy up. I'm gonna probably loosen those strings, pop that neck out, and just have another little look at the alignment. Make sure that there isn't any. A little bit more relief there too. I think it's just pulling on the neck, you know. And that bridge is a little bit. It's sitting okay. It might be a little bit on the high side. I might need to bring that. And what it is also is the tension, because this thing's got a little bit of whammy as well. We've got that guy there. Remember, it's got a trem system, and maybe that's just I need to adjust that a little bit and just drop that a little bit as well. But we'll find out anyway. But there she goes. That's how she sounds. She's okay. What do we got here? A silk scarf. What are we talking about here? Ha! A leopard guitar. That's Hank. Hank would build a leopard guitar. because he's right into things like cats. I did the tiger. I did the Bengal tiger. He needs to do the leopard. The snow leopard. A white guitar with grey spots. The snow leopard. Absolutely, Dana. The snow leopard. You could make it a hedgehog. You could burn it and make it a hedgehog guitar. Just lots of spines. Lots of spikes. Hedgehog. That's the way to go. Or make it Canadian. Make it a moose guitar. Very, very funny. I can't wait to see what you do with that, Dana. Now, someone asked a question about the comic strip. Here we go with the comic strip, guys and girls. For those that didn't see it, we've got little fish lips. Don't you step on my blue suede fins. And we've got the body oiled. And we're going to put another coat on right now before I finish up. So let me put this guy away. This guy's looking good. He's just about ready. Just going to adjust that neck a little bit. Just check and see if I can maybe get that action just a tad lower. And we'll see how we go. I'm going to take that tuner off. Put that in my pocket. And what I'll do now is I'll grab the hedgehogs. Terry, you've got to get a hedgehog. What about the babies? How good are the little baby hedgehogs? They're the cutest things in the world. They're that big, and they look like they've got little rubber spikes. They look like a little rubber ball. They're cute. Baby hedgehogs. Okay. There it is with one coat of oil on there. That's all. Drunk that up. There's our comic strip characters. Special Elvis in the middle. We've got Percy up the top right there. We've got Vavoom on the top left. We've got Janice on the bottom right. She's just a show-off, flashy harlot. And we've got Sassafras, who's sitting right there. So that's the one we've got there. So there you go, shoots. There's our comic strip. There's our little cartoon characters. I'm going to put some oil on that guy now. So let's go back to the bench. We'll finish that up with a bit of oil, and then we'll close off for the day so I can have a little bit of Sunday time to myself. Okay, let's grab our oil, give that another nice coat, seal that right in. We're almost there. We just got to seal that guy right in. I'll grab that oil. I might give that a light rub back after the second or third coat and see how we go there. I'll just put these away before I lose them. Key there. Alrighty. Let's open this guy up. Put these guys away. All right, Karen, see you later. Good to see you. Have a great weekend. I hope you do well. Elvis looks great. Elvis is a Fruit Loop. He looks like a Mexican Elvis impersonator. That's what that looks like, a Mexican Elvis impersonator. His name is, I've got to think, Pedro. Pedro's his real name. Good old Pete. And Pedro works down in Vegas as an impersonator. Special Elvis. His real name is Pedro. Ha! He does. It's Pedro, Terry, I'm telling you. Special Elvis's alias is Pedro. He's from Tijuana. And he's the best Elvis impersonator you've ever seen. Okay, let's get some oil on this guy here. Open this guy up. What did I do with that screwdriver? It was just here a minute ago. Oh, here it is. We do love Special Elvis. He is very special. Let me tell you how special he is. How special is he? Ask me, how special is he? Very special. Very. Very is the word I'm thinking of. Just grabbing some cloth. Let's give this guy a little bit of a wash. get a second coat. It's drunk up most of that first one, so no rest for the wicked. Absolutely. Special Elvis O. No O at the end of that. Just Special Elvis. Special Pedro. Special Pedris. We like that amber colour. It's quite nice. It really makes everything pop. I'll just pop that neck in there and give you guys a look with how it looks with the neck in place. Whoops, I just dripped everywhere. Hang on. Not me personally, but the oil. Okay, it's better. Where is the neck? Oh, here it is. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. There it is. Ooh. Starting to come together. Okay, so that's our next giveaway, guys and girls. The comic strip Lunatics of Willie's Pond, Special Elvis, and the Little Baby Guy. Fungus at the moment. Is that a summer thing, Willie? Do they often get it? Wayne Newton. Ha! He looks like Wayne Newton. Holy smokes. It's a Wayne Newton. But there's the guitar there, guys and girls. So that's coming along, and we're going to leave it right there. I'm going to be back again tomorrow, which is Monday here for me. I'll be on for about 2 or 3 hours. We'll get lots of work done on the other guy. Just for those people that came in late, I will show you where we got up to with our other guitar. So this old snake here, this taipan, that's now carved. Okay, we've got the carve going. We did fill in all those cracks and crevices, and we've sorted out the lines on that guy. It needs a bit of a sand, and then the routing, and then we can start spraying. We're going to start spraying this guy very soon. We did route out the cavity for the pickups. We've got those guys going there. So we're all good to go. Just got to get that body painted now. Yeah, the little there. They're called the band, Leslie. The band's actually called the special little baby guys. That's Willie named them, and that's how it is. Huh. One shot. What's going on? And the Los Niños Paquitos. That's exactly right. Oh my God, that's hilarious, Willie. It's the world's first Elvis. It's the world's first mariachi ensemble that plays everything that is Elvis. Suspicious Minds mariachi style. Okay, I'm going to leave it right there, and I'm not going to come back until tomorrow. So let me see who's on, and I'll see if I can raid some dude or dudette that deserves it. Otherwise, if they don't deserve it, I won't be raiding them. No, I'm just kidding. Let's have a little look. Who we got on? Risky Biscuit Band, Johnny and Heidi. I'm going to rate Johnny and Heidi. I haven't rated them for a while. They're a great couple that sing really, really well. And yes, Willie, you know, you love the mariachi style Suspicious Minds. Let's have a look here. Raid, Johnny and Heidi. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it's working. Okay, guys and girls, I'm going to leave you there. I'll be back tomorrow. Make sure you tune in. That giveaway, I might even unlock the giveaway command, which will be exclamation Elvis or something like that. I'll let you know tomorrow. I'm going to go sort that out. Until then, guys and girls, have a great weekend, the rest of your weekend. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Until then, I'm going to flick you over. Take care of each other. Bye for now. See ya.